Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
This video shows 3 simple ways to hide the Windows 11 search bar. Choose the method that matches your comfort level and system permissions. We cover taskbar settings, registry edits, and group policy options quickly. Each method includes step-by-step instructions and safety tips for rollback. Always backup settings before editing the registry or group policy files. If you prefer quick toggles, use the settings route described in the first section. For power users, the registry and group policy sections give precise control. First method uses settings to hide the search bar quickly and safely. Right-click the taskbar and choose taskbar settings from the context menu. Open personalization, then select taskbar and scroll to search options. Set the search option to hidden or toggle off the search box display. Changes apply immediately and take effect without restarting your computer. Restore the search bar anytime by reversing the same toggle in settings. This route is safest for most users and requires no admin privileges. Advanced methods use registry edits or local group policy for precise control. Open Regedit and navigate to HKey current user /software /Microsoft /Windows /current version /search. Change the word search box taskbar mode to 0 to hide, 1 for icon, 2 for box. Export the registry branch first and save the reg file as a rollback option. For organization devices, use gpedit. MSC under Administrative Templates, start Menu and Taskbar Settings.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.